Welcome back to the series What Flipper Zero Cannot Do. Today's myth: can Flipper Zero open modern gates, garage doors, or barriers? The quick answer: no, it can't. Older gate remotes used simple fixed codes, the same signal every time. Those could be copied because the system had no real security. But more modern garage doors and barriers use changing codes and signal verification, so every press sends a complete new unique code that cannot be reused or predicted. Flipper Zero cannot recreate these codes, cannot bypass the verification, and cannot clone modern rolling code remotes. In short, Flipper might work on very old or cheap systems, but it will not open modern gates or garage doors. Stay tuned for the next episode where we will continue breaking down the biggest myths about Flipper Zero clearly, safely, and responsibly.